Let's read the story together, and I want you to listen carefully.
Some children are on a school trip. They are going to ride on an old steam train. They climb into the carriage, and the train moves off. The train starts chugging. It gets faster and faster, until steam comes out of the funnel and the whistle blows. Choo-choo.
Now, let's read the words together.
Chicken. Chop. Stitch. Bunch.
Now, I want you to do the action with me.
Letters C and H make this sound.
Ch. Ch. Chicken. Ch. Ch. Ch.
Use your finger and follow the arrow.
Ch.
Let's sing together.
Trains are chugging up the hill. Ch 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 ch. Trains are chugging up the hill. Ch 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 choo choo.
Cross out the picture that doesn't have the sound.
Ch.
Listen carefully.
Boat. Chair. Chick. Torch.
Where's the sound? Beginning, middle or end?
Children.
Beginning. Middle. End.
Chimpanzee.
Ostrich. Ketchup.